These wheels are off 2011 Tahoe. They're 22-inch OE, and you see there's a lot on the Denalis. Other SUVs that have the 22-inch OEs, and they always leak around the bead area because, if you can see, the wheel, I don't know if it's called corrosion or oxidation, but it starts to peel off the metal here and it gets jagged and creates a gap between the wheel and the tire, and it leaks. So what we do on all our tires, even if they're not corroded, is we choose a Milwaukee M12 or M18, and we go around and we clean all the beads and lube them, and they won't leak. We do that when they come in for flats, and also when they come in for new tires, which is what this is in for. So I'm going to clean it up. I'll show you what it looks like after it's clean. And I'm using a Hunter Auto 34 tire changer. Alright, so I don't know if this is going to focus or not, but you can see this is where it was clean. Now there's still going to be like indentations, kind of look like what rust looks like after you get rid of it. That's the difference. So we're going to clean that, and then we got to clean the top. Sorry if it's not focusing. And then it should be good to go. No. Alright, something we do, which not a lot of other people still do, we still have some old school stuff here. This tire shop's been here since '64, so I learned a lot of stuff from the old school guys. The black grease is it's like tire paste, I forget what they call it. Not many people use it anymore. They use the white stuff, which we use a lot for just regular mounting, but this black stuff fills in the gaps that's left by the metal that you got out with the wire wheel. Like Danny's doing one over there now. And if there is a big gap, even though it's a new tire, it probably won't leak. We put it on just in case. It's a little messy, but it makes sure you're not going to have a comeback.